Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Is your PlayStation 5 struggling to connect to Wi-Fi? It can be super frustrating, but don't worry, there are some simple steps we can take. First things first, try giving both your PS5 and your Wi-Fi router a quick restart. Just unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, make sure your console isn't too far from the router. Sometimes, physical distance or obstacles like thick walls can really affect signal strength, so keep that in mind. If a simple restart didn't do the trick, let's try resetting your network settings directly on the PS5. Head over to the Settings menu, then find Network, and finally set up Internet connection. From there, you'll want to select your Wi-Fi network and choose the Advanced Settings option. Sometimes, simply deleting your current network connection and then setting it up again from scratch can clear up any corrupted data or old configurations that might be causing issues, making things work smoothly. Still having trouble? Let's get a bit more technical. Sometimes, manually changing your DNS settings can make a huge difference. You can try public DNS servers, like Google's at 8.8.8.8. This often helps with connection stability and speed. Another option is setting a static IP address for your PS5. This can be done within your router's administration page and prevents IP conflicts, ensuring a more consistent connection for your console. Don't forget to check on your router itself. A simple reboot might not be enough. Sometimes, letting it rest unplugged for 10 or even 30 minutes can fully clear its memory. It's also worth logging into your router's administration page to check for any available firmware updates. Keeping your router's software updated is crucial for performance and security. If your router is quite old, it might just be time for an upgrade to better handle modern devices like the PS5. If none of these steps have solved your Wi-Fi woes, we have a couple more advanced options. You could try rebuilding your PS5 database. This is done from safe mode and often fixes system issues without deleting your games. As a very last resort, a full factory reset is an option, but be warned, this will wipe all your data. If the problem still persists, it might be time to contact PlayStation support. They can provide more specific troubleshooting or arrange a repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.